Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Google Analytics on Webflow. This process is straightforward and will help you gain crucial insights into your website's performance. You'll learn how to connect your analytics account, track visitor behavior, and understand which pages are most popular. This data is incredibly valuable for making informed decisions to optimize your site and enhance user experience. Let's get started with the first step. First, navigate to Google Analytics and sign in with your Google account. You'll need to create a new account or property for your website. Select the Web option as your platform and provide your website's URL along with a stream name. This action generates a unique measurement ID, typically formatted as G, which is essential for tracking. Make sure to copy this ID carefully for the next step. Now, head over to your Webflow dashboard and open the specific project you wish to track. Within your project settings, you'll find an Integrations tab. Click on this tab and then locate the section dedicated to Google Analytics. Here, you will paste the measurement ID you copied earlier into the provided field. This step links your Webflow site directly to your Google Analytics property. After pasting your measurement ID, remember to save your changes in Webflow. The final crucial step is to publish your entire Webflow site. This action deploys the tracking script to your live pages, enabling data collection. To confirm everything is working, check the real-time reports in Google Analytics. You should see active users on your site, indicating successful integration and data flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.